Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you that how you can overlay in CapCut videos. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go to your CapCut app and go to the project that you want to create overlay for. Now on the bottom you will see an overlay option. Click on it and click on add overlay button. Now choose the picture that you want to add as an overlay. You can also choose multiple pictures. After choosing that, click on Add button. And now you can see that pictures has been added as an overlay. On the bottom you will see some options like blending and animation, and here you can add different kind of animation to your overlay. You have a lot more options to use in the overlay menu, and you can use all these options for completely free. So that's how you can add overlay in CapCut videos. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.